Hey, this is Daving. Just a quick video on my Honda Accord. This is the power steering pump, and I had a leak. The dealer was in doing our timing belt here in the housing, so I think that they released this power steering, the upper power steering, or maybe even remove the pump, and there is a gasket that sits in here. This was my problem. It started leaking after the dealer, after I got home, was driving one, like fluid was hitting these belts and then spraying up. You can kind of see the residue was spraying up, and I had trouble figuring it out. But when I got into this gasket, it was very, crusty and old. It has 300,000 miles on it. So I ordered a new Honda one here. There's the part number, as well as a power steering repair kit from Edelmann. That was from Rockauto. I went in and repaired the whole. There's gaskets all in this pump that you can. There's videos on that. I didn't want to do a video on it. I did get this tool from Amazon. It was maybe $11. It's a spanner wrench. You can put it here to hold this guy in place. I actually removed the flywheel when it was on. I just broke that bolt loose. I took the belt off before I did that, and just held that in place. It did mar it there just a little bit, but I think that'll be okay. And so I hope that helps. I'll put some links to things in the description, and we'll see you next time.